Employer details of the private respondent. She said application under the maintenance of senior citizens and guardian psychologist. In that the application was filed. The private respondent, being the son of the petitioner, did not appear.
Is anybody there for the private respondent? You are there? Yes. You are not taking care of your mother? No, she only wants maintenance from you. She is a senior citizen. This is the submission. Do you say that she is not a senior citizen? She is not a senior citizen.
The petition of 2024 and endeavor was made by her. The first to attend service on the address recorded here.
Without going into anything, since you are there, are you taking care of your mother or not?
There is no question of taking.
All right. Why?
There are reasons.
She is not your mother.
She might be my biological mother. She has
But
not
then-
disclosed all these facts. I am handing it over to my learned friend. Will not mind. I am representing Obitkian. Obitkian is presently sailing in the Atlantic Ocean.
All right.
He is a sailor.
Yes.
The wife is present in court. The police is regularly barging. Not in their residence. With constables and everyone. Just.
Yes.
And what has been served on her is this particular document. Apart from anything else. This is original document.
These have come returned, Lordship, from the
Yes.
copy of the petition that was served. She denied service.
This is an email communication, I am handing over to my learned friend. This is what the police served on me.
What is there? Please say. Please say what is there.
Parents,
Yes.
the father and my mother, they were married long time.
Right.
Was raised up by my maternal grandfather.
Right.
I was raised by my maternal grandfather. We used to stay in an apartment near like Bonopur. Now, my mother decided to part ways with my father. And they started living separately without, of course, any legal divorce. They started living separately. She started living with her own companion, in a different apartment. Which incidentally in 2005 out of my funds was purchased by me in 2005. Now, after 2005, she said that it is not possible for her to stay with us, and it was mutually agreed that the flat would be put on sale, and whatever the funds derived from therefrom would be shared equally between me and my mother. She accepted the funds. She had no contact with me till 2023-2024, when first this SDO's notice or whatever was sought to be served, through which I informed the police and everyone as a law-abiding citizen on my return to the country that this is the factual position. I am not available in the country. Whatever is to be done has to be done subsequently. The SDO's order apparently says that since the private respondent is not available, nothing can be done. Now, today the position is she's.
Are you willing to provide maintenance? She is your mother, and the act says you are to do it.
Done. I have no personal ties with her.
She is currently very sick. She was found in sick condition. In fact, she was rescued. She
is presently in a home, Lordship.
She is there staying in a home.
Was living with a person by the
Whoever, the court doesn't want to enter into all those things. From records, it appears from the Office of the Human Rights Initiative.
All these facts to your Lordship. Has she disclosed this fact that she has?
She is not in a position to disclose.
She is in a position to disclose.
I do not know. The records say she is in a home.
Just of respect, she is not in a position to disclose. Maybe she cannot move for whatever ailments. But it is not a question of she is not able to speak or she is not able to communicate. We have conversations with the son when he was in India. when the conversation transpired to this extent that what you have to do for me. The only thing is extraction. Only purpose behind everything.
Where is she now? In the home?
Yes, Lordship. She is
Which
in a-
home?
it is somewhere in Kalyani, Lordship. That is why the complaint was raised.
Old age home at B14465 Kalyani.
Yes,
This person is not one who has affirmed this affidavit, the writ petition, and some Mr. Bormon. They are apparently taking up her cause, seeking to communicate with me, and the only purpose is extraction. Because I am a sailor, I have my own family, I have 2 children. She has not been a party to my marriage. She has never seen my wife also practically. Today
Who takes care of her charges of the home?
Lordship, that is the home is it's human rights initiative. It is an NGO, Lordship. They are taking care. There's no money that is being paid to them.
No money
Lordship,
paid.
that is why they made the complaint.
How much is required?
It is just her basic maintenance and the medical expenses.
much?
That I have to take instructions. Not a much amount, Lordship. It is there. My complaint is at page 13, Lordship. This is the first complaint to the SDO, Lordship.
Yes.
Just for basic maintenance and everything, Lordship.
I cannot read this complaint. This was not been served on me.
She will provide a copy to you. Or you have a copy.
Several times. Yes, I
You
have
have a copy. Give
the
it.
one that was refused. I can.
Yes, yes. Give it. Give it to him.
This is still
Right,
sealed,
right.
Lordship. That came
Yes.
returned.
I am tearing it in front.
Yes, yes. The
Copy of the writ petition was there.
give a figure that will be required for the basic maintenance.
Basic maintenance, food,
Medical-
and only medical expenses, Lordship, because she is
Yes.
very ill and she is
So
unable
that
to.
the money can be directly forwarded to the home, and the petitioner also will not be receiving anything on her own, and the money is not required to be handed over to somebody. It will go directly to the home, so that her charges can be taken care of.
Lordship, kindly sees at page 13 the address and everything. I came to know from a source about Shankar Prasad is a member of Human Rights Initiative. Somehow I could match.
Stop. It has been submitted that the respondent number 5 is a seaman and is currently sailing. Stop. Next. The wife of the respondent number 5 is reported to be present in court. Stop. Next. It appears from the submission. Now, learned advocate for the petitioner submits based upon the annexures that the petitioner is currently staying in an old age home and there is none to take care of her basic amenities. That's an old age home run by an NGO. Stop. Next. The petitioner seeks maintenance amount only for her survival. Stop. Learned advocate representing the private respondent, that is the son of the petitioner, submits that apart from being a biological mother, there had never been any relationship between the petitioner and the private respondent. Stop. The petitioner never took care of her son. Stop. However, without entering into any dispute with regard to the mother and the son, as it appears that the son is financially well off and the mother is left in an old age home with none to take care of her basic needs, the court is of the opinion that the son be directed to pay an amount which would be required for providing the food and medical treatment of the petitioner. Stop. The amount may be directly transferred to the bank account of the NGO running the old age home where the petitioner is currently staying. Stop. The amount which will be required for the for taking care of the basic needs of the petitioner shall be intimated to the court on the adjourned date.